All right, Rob Frazier here. In this video, I want to talk about how I'm using my six-figure blueprint program created by TJ Holloway that I am using as a main lead generator, basically. Basically, I'm using this for my capture pages and for some of my autoresponders. If you don't know what those terms are, just know that this is the very first thing that I'm using to recommend to people who are wanting to start making money online with something simple. Something simple. So my six-figure blueprint, again, created by TJ Holloway. He's doing a number of things with this program behind the scenes. I use it as one of my main marketing systems, not a program per se, a marketing system. So what I do is I send people, and this is also going to be a kind of like a video for new people getting started as well. So basically, when you log here in your back office, in your dashboard, after you create an account, depending on your level, you have a number of different things. And also, if you just create an account, I highly suggest watching this video here and also going up here on the left and clicking down within all of these tabs, going through the information, going through the training. I highly suggest going through the social media training because that's one of the main things that I love about this is that social media training. So you click here on my links. Basically, it's going to show you a bunch of different links you have, and this is kind of like a brief-ish overview. You have your different capture pages. You have your via sales, which are the sales pages for the system itself. But I just want to click on my capture pages here. I just want to show you what one of them look like. Whenever my country bumpkin Wi-Fi decides to load, I'm going to just click on this one so you can see what it looks like. And there's a reason why I'm doing this. So whenever folks are promoting a business online, you want the capture page. This right here is a capture page. You don't know what the program is about. You don't know anything. You have to click, put in your email address, and it captures your email address, and then it sends you to the next page. So these capture pages, you click here, you click dashboard, you scroll down, you click my links, you click on categories, you click on my capture pages. These are what you are promoting. You buy a solo ad, you send clicks here. You post on social media, you send people here. He also has a couple of quote-unquote smart capture pages, which are basically, they look like this, but whenever someone clicks play, it'll play for about 30 seconds, and then, hey, to watch the rest of the video, you have to put in your name and email. Therefore, it captures the name and email, and you get to see the rest of the video. It's called a smart capture page. I like it. I use it for different other traffic. I don't use cold traffic with the smart capture pages, but just to give you an idea what they are. Also, TJ's coming up with another level as well. But the three levels, 150, one time, you earn instant 100 commissions, $100 commissions. 350 plus, $400 one time, you earn instant $300 commissions. 1250, or it's actually 1500, you earn instant $1,000 commissions. He's coming up with a higher level. That's coming up down the pike soon. He also has free funnels. Let me go back here. Free funnels. Basically, these free funnels promote a couple different opportunities out there, and I'm going to get into one of them in a little bit, but one of those opportunities is Nexus Rewards. He has a totally free funnel to use for that opportunity, and a couple of different Infinity processing systems. There's a Sophie, which is like a bank app. The only thing I'm a part of here is the Nexus Rewards. So what I want to do is basically talk about how I'm promoting this opportunity. I send my traffic to a page that looks like this. I buy solo ads on Udemy. And in fact, under the multi-stream system, this right here is also a TJ Holloway. This right here, you get with the six-figure blueprint. This right here, you can put your own business here. Step 2 is the six-figure marketing system, which what this whole video is about. And then down here, we have Udemy solo ads. If you buy a solo ad, you send that those clicks to this page right here. That's a super simple way of doing this business if you have a little bit of money to spend in traffic every single week. I highly suggest at least doing 50 bucks in traffic every single week. So this right here is a page I promote. They get on the email list, and you have an email list within the system that you can email out once a day. It's under Six Figure Marketing System, but you have the option to connect your Aweber, get response. I highly suggest if you're beginning, you don't want any extra bills, just stick with this in-house autoresponder, because you can build leads and then you can email them, and then you can email them once a day. So that's what I do. As you can see here, I sent the message yesterday at 7:37 p.m. I have to wait till today, 7:37 p.m. to send another email. That's the only downside. You can't email the list as much as you want, but it's a local autoresponder in the system, and it's not that bad. So I promote this page right here. Talks about the whole get up, all the training, everything you're going to get. Also, I build my email list. I promote this opportunity. I earn an instant commission. So for example, in the past week, I've earned 700 bucks. Half of that money immediately goes to traffic. Where do I buy traffic? I usually buy traffic at Udemy, most of. Udemy, traffic for me, MLM leads, but mostly Udemy. Money comes in, I immediately take half of that, buy traffic. Where do I send that traffic? Back to this capture page. I keep that same process going. That keeps the machine going. That keeps more people coming in. Also, on my email list that I build within this program, every other day, I email this right here. This is a page that TJ has for you inside of this system. Let me go back to dashboard, where you can add in any other business you want to promote. You log in, you see right here, I'm 1,100 bucks so far. Income disclaimer, by the way. You go down here, you click on my links. Waiting for my country bumpkin Wi-Fi to load. Dishwasher's also going in the background, so I don't know if that slows down my Wi-Fi, but I don't know, you get the point. Click on categories. Click on multiple stream system. Basically, you have 3 different pages. I'm not going to wait for this to load. I'm going to just simply go here so you can see what one of those pages looks like. You add in whatever YouTube video you want right here. You put right here a link to whatever it is you want to promote. Then step 2 is the 6-figure blueprint, already hard-coded to you. And then step 3 is Udemy, which you will have to place your Udemy affiliate link in the system. Other people buy Udemy solo ads. You get a commission. Use that money for more traffic. It keeps the machine going. What do I promote? I promote the multiple income funnel. And there's a number of reasons. Number 1 is the social media aspect. Multiple income funnel, I rearranged it just a touch. Multiple income funnel is the multiple income funnel itself. I'm going to just click on here so you can see what the sales page looks like. Inside the multiple income funnel, I got the multiple income funnel, number 1. I got your free system, which is income stream 2. And I got power lead system, which is income stream 3. But I'm going to do a separate multiple income funnel video to talk about why I've included all of those programs in the system. And it's a complete social media marketing package. All of these aren't just random programs. Oh, let's put that program in there. Oh, no, they all has certain social media trainings that I think are critical for the new person getting started, because I did not know how to use social media. Even now, I still struggle. So I have to go back, go through some of the training and apply it to my own business. So I promote the multiple income funnel, your free system, which I just cut a video on. It has some amazing TikTok training, YouTube short training, Facebook, Instagram Reels, that type of training. Power Lead System has, after you get someone interested on social media, what do you say to them? So everything kind of has its own part. But that's what I promote. And to my email list, I promote everything all together. and I promote everything separate. What does that mean? I'm explaining that in the next couple of minutes. So, very first thing is my six-figure blueprint. That's just where you get started. And I'm gonna do another video talking about the money flow. If you don't have a lot of money, how do you start this whole process? How do you strategically upgrade into different programs on a shoestring budget, basically? I highly suggest just starting at the $150 level in the six-figure blueprint. $150 one time, start there. Then from there, we can add in the multiple income funnel, your free system, and so on. So basically, once you get on my email list, 1 day a week, you'll get one email about the six-figure blueprint. The next day, you'll probably get an email about the multiple income funnel. And then I break it down. Inside the multiple income funnel, I got your free system. So the next day, I'll send out an email about your free system. The next day, I'll send out an email about Power Lead System. And then the next day, I'll just send out this whole everything right here in one email. And then I wait till next week. So basically, all of the programs that I just mentioned, I email the one system that promotes them all, which is this whole system right here, the multi-stream system. And then I take each of the programs, and they each have their own day, if you will. Then I just keep repeating, and that's it. That's all I'm doing with this right here. So that being said, it's very simple, very straightforward. That's what I'm doing here. My next couple of videos, I'll go more into depth into individual programs. And then lastly, I'll cover my crypto retirement plan, which is different programs. But for my crypto retirement plan, the traffic has to be crypto traffic. This right here, Udemy and all those things, people usually like mainstream type programs. And if you have a crypto deal, you have to promote it to crypto traffic. And I've learned that the hard way. It's just, you just can't mix the two. So that being said, wrapping this video up, that's coming in the future, my crypto retirement plan, to which the idea is to make money here first. Then when you have a steady amount of money coming in on a daily basis, then you can take some and put some into crypto and participate in my crypto retirement plan. So that being said, name's Rob Fraser, wrapping this video up. Hopefully this clears up some things. If you have any questions, leave them underneath this video. But again, I email everything together. Then each thing has its own day. And then some days I might email my crypto retirement plan to this very same email list. But that's the whole thing. I'm building my email list. And then every single day I'm emailing it different offers. And that's how you consistently make money. And that's what I want people who follow me to do, consistently make money. Because when a program crashes, a company owner changes his mind, company owner sells out, which has happened, you still have your income coming in, which is the goal. Name's Rob Fraser. If you want more information about this link will be in the description. See you next video. Peace.